Only 2 syllables in this whole wide world worth hearing.
Truces.
What's up? Good morning, y'all. There's a lot out here. About to go out to the tuxedo fitting. This is day 1. Well, my charger is right here, but this is day 1. Okay, 2 rules. Get money, little bitches. Ronnie. 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 Go be my bitch. Just made it to the terminal, the gate, past the terminal, whatever it's called, and about to go eat in the airport. So wish me luck. Oh, popping dollars. You feel me? Just got some Subway, and I'm not gonna sit over there with him because I don't like him. He's a loner. Stupid. Oh, look what you eat. Why are you eating like that? You look so stupid. Oh, you bite that sandwich and wipe your mouth. You retard. Just arrived in LA. The great aroma of cigarettes and weed is in the air, and yeah. So I'm about to get picked up in a second, and it's probably really loud. You probably can't even hear me, but just want to let you guys know that I arrived safely, and
It's your crazy, 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 crazy love. Oh, you got me so
just arrived at the hotel. It's like 12 o'clock, and we just came from the show, and you feel me? Nice and luxurious. Got the flat screen. We cool living. You feel me? About to eat some McDonald's for the grow on some McDonald's. Hit the hay. See y'all in the morning. Just got some breakfast from the hotel. Why are you always in my video? Dang. Just got some breakfast from the hotel, and for the grub, and it's like 11. I just woke up. I'm tired. Finished getting ready. About to go to Sabahana's house, and gonna go to the champagne party, and then get ready for prom, and then yeah. So I'll see y'all when I get picked up.
I like that. Look good on that.
Mom picked it up, right? I know we're freaking. She said.
The next message is Alina Surnine.
Prom is over. Tired, ready to go to sleep. But we finna turn up at the after party. Let's go!
Are you taking a picture of me? Are you finding this?
Just arrived back at the hotel. I had a fun day at Knott's Berry Farm. And it's late. And,
some snacks. I'm gonna get some snacks. I'm very hungry. I wanna get some snacks. Give me some snacks. I want some snacks. Give me some snacks.
Y'all, I'm finally home. Look at this long ass vignette. Look like a nigga. I'm glad to be home, back in the Bay Area. I love all my LA fans. You guys, if you saw me, we took pictures and things like that. I love you guys. You guys are so supportive. I love you guys so much. About to go in the lab though, cause you know, making some music and things like that. That's alright. Quick, but I hadn't even started yet. But I'm about to get ready for that. And y'all saw that clip before. Y'all saw that lady. She was trying to sex with me on the plane. Not good airplane sex. She wanted it. She was like that. Before I recorded, she was like, "Hey, how big is your dick?" And I was like, "Big."
Truces.
Do this.
All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. Okay. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. Okay. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'.